Hi everybody, this is Mark from Mark's Mandalas. Welcome to the Step 2 video on assembling Hex Hive 2.0. In the first video I showed you how to orient the parts so they're all facing the same direction. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect the pieces together. One very important tip is you're never going to use more than one hook on a part to assemble to another single part. Eventually you will be connecting multiple hooks to multiple pieces, but never more than one hook will connect to another single part. And this one here, in the last video I showed you as far as keeping the print oriented, and that helps for keeping them all upright, but it also helps with keeping the hooks aligned properly. As far as, let me show you hopefully this will show up in the camera properly. These hooks, the opening is facing down on both of them, so they are not going to connect properly. So what you want to do, and you'll notice that the print isn't showing up on here. So if I turn this around, you can see the print is facing the same direction. And now, if you turn them, and I get these close, you can see that the opening is facing each other. And that's what you want. You want the hooks facing each other. And so you can you might have to swivel these parts a little bit, but you want to have the openings face each other. And then you kind of swivel it until it slides in there, and then you just slide it together. And I'm going to go ahead and do one more part. So I see where the print is here, so I find the print on this one. Now the print is all the same. I'm going to take this hook and connect it right here. And I have to kind of swivel it around a little bit until I find it, and you can see I've started it and then it just slides together. And that is the basics of putting this together. I'm actually going to put one more piece on because this will be the first time that you connect to two hooks. Now once again, make sure the print is all on the same side. Now I know my hooks are facing the proper direction. And now I need to connect these two to these two. That's one hook per part. And what I will do a lot of times is I will start one of them. So I've started that one, and then I'll slide this piece back a little bit, which makes it easier to start on this. And now you have them, they're kind of in three different depths. But then you kind of squeeze everything together so they're all flush. And now you have your first four pieces together, which also completes your first completely enclosed cell. One of the big differences between Hex Hive and Hex Hive 2.0 is that the exterior cells aren't necessarily going to be completely enclosed, but that's okay because they're still going to hold craft paint very well. And it's going to make it a bit more efficient. So that is it for this second video in the How to Assemble Hex Hive 2.0 series, and please stay tuned for the next video.